Beautiful thing, man. It's nothing more beautiful than nature. Green grass, birds, water, river, lakes. Amazing. Y'all need to come check this out. I mean, trees. Do not swim, or else you will drown. Do not enter. You guys see that right there? It's a crazy view, man. Like it quiet, not a lot of people around, positive energy, positive vibe, no negative people. Sometimes, guys, you gotta stay away from negative energy, man. Negative people bring you down, you know what I'm saying? Motivate positive, man. Too much negativity in this world. It's crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Need some positive vibe. That's what I'm bringing you right now. Some positive energy, you know what I'm saying? Canada Day in advance. So y'all make sure to like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? Enjoy the little vibe, little moment, little view right here. Birds, cars, trees, winds, all that stuff. Right now we're having a one-on-one conversation. You know what I mean? Right now we're at the riverside. We're just chilling, flowing. Happy Canada Day in advance. One more time. Happy Canada Day. See how beautiful the grass. It's green, it's fresh, all that good stuff. Trees are beautiful. Not a lot of pollution. Look how beautiful that is. Check it out. Y'all see that? Look at that. Peaceful, man. It's a beautiful vibe right here. Told y'all, man. Positive energy, man. Know what I mean? See the birds? Even the birds, they're happy to be outside. Look at that right there. And make sure to drop your comment down below, alright? Tell me what y'all think of this video, and if you like this vibe, this energy, you want to see more like this, just make sure to drop your comment on the bottom, alright? Nature, man, look how beautiful that tree is. It's amazing right here. I mean, relaxing. What's better than this, right? Maybe I should go walk over there, check it out. What's going on the bridge? Someone told me, guys, where am I right now? It's a lot of racism over here, man. I don't know. But I'm yet to see it. Know what I mean? But it is what it is, man. I can tell you guys, man, forget about all that negative shit, man. Keep it 100 positive, you know what I'm saying? Positive energy all day, every day. All right, I'm gonna be out. Until next time, happy Canada Day. There's dog shit all over the place, man. People need to clean your dog shit up, man. Disgusting. You guys see that? Down there. Birds everywhere. I could stare all day, man.